Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andi Mawaddah, and right now I want to uh, explain about the instruction to the production of English consonant sound. So there are mistakes that often faced by Indonesian students in learning English, namely the difficulty to producing English sound. This problem occurs because the lack of knowledge that the student have. So the best solution for this problem from the research is by learning phonetics, because in phonetics there are information about how we articulate the segmental sound in English, namely the vowel and consonant sound. By learning phonetics, we can articulate these sounds naturally. So right now in here, I'm just gonna explain about the consonant sound. In producing consonant sound, there are three information we need to know first, namely the place of articulation, the manner of articulation, and the distinctive features of consonant sound. The place of articulation is contain information about where in our mouth that responsible from making the consonant sound. The manner of articulation is contain information about how the consonant sounds when we pronouncing it, and the distinctive features is contains the information that tell us whether our vocal cord vibrate or not when we produce the consonant sound. This information later will help us in pronouncing consonant sounds properly. The place of articulation, it refers to where the sounds produced in our mouth. There are six organs that working together when making consonant sounds, namely lips, teeth, alveolar, phlegm, the hard palate, and the fourth part of tongue. Consonant sound in English American by the place of articulation divide into 8 sounds, namely the labial sounds, labiodental, alveolar, velar, palatal, palatoalveolar, glottal, and labiovelar sound. Manner of articulation is about how the consonant sounds produced in our speech organ from their cooperation each other, and this manner of articulation is something that present a distinctive features in consonant sounds in English. Manner of articulation describe two things. There are the first is about how we produce how the different speech organ interact with each other and produce consonant sounds, and the second is how the airflow is blocked, so these things can make the different qualities of sounds that produce. Therefore, there are 7 different concepts in articulation, namely the stops, fricative, affricative, lateral, nasals, and approximants. So, I think that's all I can say. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.